Hi guys, welcome to Glitch Guru. In this video, we'll show you what to do if the fast charging is not working on your Samsung Galaxy phone. So to fix this, first head to the settings app on your Samsung phone. Now in here, scroll down and then tap on battery. Now in this menu, make sure the battery protection feature is turned off as it can slow down charging after a certain point. Now scroll down and then tap on charging settings. Now here make sure all these toggles, that is fast charging, super fast charging and fast wireless charging, are enabled. If you still experience problems, you will need to check your adapter and make sure it supports super fast charging. Also the cable you are using also needs to support fast charging. You can look up its specifications online to check if it supports fast charging. If you are certain there is no issue with the adapter or the cable, take a look at the USB-C port of your Samsung Galaxy phone. Sometimes dirt, debris and even moisture inside the port can cause the fast charging to stop working. If you notice anything, make sure to remove it using a brush or a toothpick. Once you do, your Samsung Galaxy phone should fast charge as before. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.